search here. Volunteer. Ako ba ay device or whatever? Louis. Okay, Louis, it's connected by a Wi-Fi operator. Then that's 4 bucks. Then that's 4. Okay. Go on.
Wow.
Nakapanagyan ko ito. That's 10 plus 4. Okay, stop. Okay, how will you describe the videos, the collection of videos that have been described so far in your own words? What type of videos are these? What type of videos are these?
3.
Huh? What type of videos are these? Right. Are they MTV videos? No. What type of videos are these? Are these long lectures? No. So what type of videos am I trying to describe here?
3.
Wala? You cannot describe the video? Okay. How about the term web services? Okay, let me try to make it clear. How many of you use YouTube?
Yes,
Now, what is your principal use for YouTube? Entertainment? Video streaming of what? Entertaining videos. Okay. Where do you usually do it? At home, internet cafe, mobile device,
home.
at home. So you'd rather watch YouTube than watch TV? How many would still prefer TV over YouTube? 1, 2. TV as in cable or TV as in the regular program? Why do you still prefer TV? You telenovela or news or what? The news, which you don't get in YouTube. Yes. No? Buffering. Okay, since you're familiar with your YouTube experience, what if I tell you, 80 or 90% of these videos are YouTube videos? Okay? So YouTube, the videos are available for free, right? But what's missing is somebody to curate, download, put in a certain platform with an audience in mind, and an activity in mind. Okay? And then somebody like a professor who uses that platform inside the platform or inside the campus. Right? So what we're saying is not the videos per se. Because anybody can download the video. The videos are for free. But when you start organizing and compiling the videos and tagging and playlisting the videos, okay, if there are 10 of us doing that, we will have 10 different compilations, right? No two compilations will be the same. So it's not a matter of which compilation is better Okay? Or more abstracting or resonates more with the audience. Tama? And which has the better set of tools, okay, so that the audience can use it, okay, and embrace it and extend it and create their own videos moving forward. Correct? Okay? So, you understand what the CMS is? You understand what the object-oriented database is? Okay? So, you clone as an object-oriented database Joomla, Drupal, Joomla, and WordPress don't. So if you're talking about scalability moving forward, if you're talking about a few hundred or a few thousand objects, pages, PDF files, videos, pictures, you can make do with an object-oriented database. But if you're talking about tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of objects, then it will be smarter for you to use a solution that offers an object-oriented database. And that is what Flow does. Yes? Yes? Okay, guys, let me emphasize this thing. In terms of sophomores, whatever it is that your curriculum is not able to cover, because your curriculum was designed maybe 10 years ago and updated 5 years ago or 4 years ago. Doesn't have anything on object-oriented database, does not have anything on cloud computing, does not have anything about web services, and many, many other topics. But if you are serious IT practitioners, you will have to learn these topics on your own. And you will have 3 years to do that. Tama ba? Tama. Because sasabihin ng management, work already complies with CHED guidelines, requirements, which is what you're paying for. Right? They're compliant. But the problem is, the job market out there, the business environment out there, okay, is advancing so quickly that the minimum requirements for graduation, a lot of things which are of recent technology, are not covered in the 4-year course right now. And among all the disciplines, okay, the largest gap and the fastest acceleration is happening in IT. Agree or disagree? Okay. Because look at the Sunday app, okay, web experience, cloud computing, etc., etc. So, kinopero ko sa curriculum yun, ba't hindi na kailangan ng simple Microsoft Office skills, etc., etc. Hindi ko rin mundo. Any questions so far? No questions? Clear as mud or clear as water or clear or what? Okay. What we're trying to do and what we're trying to propose to LPU is that you become the pioneers in the entire Philippines. How cool can that be? Okay, this is a 4-year IT course as prescribed by CHED, but at LPU, we have many things extra because we have a different approach, because we have a different set of tools. What do you think? Good or bad? Good or bad? don't need any reaction. It's so passive. No one speaks up. Okay? Sige, why do we do this? Para, so you can connect yung video from yesterday. So you will see the incoming seniors, how they reacted to my presentation yesterday. Any reactions to what you just see? Quality of the video, quality of the audio, the response of what the students are saying. No reaction? Yes. You talk about this? Okay, the question is whether the public can view. Okay? My answer is it depends. Okay? The gatekeeper, okay, will be somebody assigned by, either your dean or your academic affairs VP. You are the gatekeeper. You will decide what belongs to the public, what belongs to LTU in general, what belongs to CSIT only, what belongs to HRM only, what belongs to engineering only, etc. Okay? So those are policies. Okay? So the policy enforcement can be done in a platform like this. Does that answer your question? Okay. If you're asking now, will this be made available even outside the campuses? It's possible, but it's a management decision. Do we allow access outside of the campus? But at least in the controlled environment of the campus, even in the corridor, the canteen, the quadrangle, the lobby, if there's Wi-Fi access there, you can actually be doing some learning, in between breaks, etc., etc. Is that cool or what? Cool? So what do you do? What's your usual activity right now? In classes. Virtual, texting, Ha? Texting? Ano na? Wala? Wala kayong in-between class subjects? Okay, what do you do? They computer work. Outside. Okay, so here's spending. Okay, having fun. Because you're not engaged. Okay? But if within the campus you have Wi-Fi, and your teacher says, you know, I will use these 3 videos for this lecture, but there are actually 10 videos that you can watch. And if you want to learn more and dive deeper, okay, I'm not stopping you. Why don't you watch the 7 other videos? So is that better return of attention on your part because you decide where you spend your attention, right? Is that a better return on attention on you, for you, okay, learning what the teacher has recommended and related, as opposed to going to a cafe and playing games? What do you think? Which is a better use of your time as learners, as college students today? Huh? Okay? So let me just, how many of you are familiar with your IT? Okay? This term. Okay? This is what we call technology adoption. Adoption with an O, adopt. It's like adopt itself, adopt. How many of you are familiar with this theory? Wala. Okay. So let me explain basically this, like, one of the guys yesterday, okay, this axis is time. Ito po, x-axis, diba? Y-axis is percentage of population. Any technology will go through this technology adoption life cycle, where you have categories, okay, of adoption. Okay? The early or the visionaries, those that can see 5, 10 years, okay, forward on how to use a particular technology or set of technologies. Therefore, the visionaries. Okay. Now this adoption life cycle was coordinated by Geoffrey Moore. This is 1990s pa. So this is not a new series, this is a very old series. Okay, it has 4 or 5 books, including the first one. This is probably the 4th inside the Tornado. Okay? So visionaries is your 1-2% of your population that can say, the cell phone is a game changer. This is how it can be used. The tablet is a game changer. This is how it will be used 5, 10, 15 years down the road. Okay? So that's usually 1-2% of the population. Okay. The next category, adjacent to visionaries, are what you call early adopters. This is your like 8 to 10%. Okay? And then you have a cancel, meaning a disconnect. Parang kami, hindi magpo-process technology and it will not be adopted by the mainstream. So if yung mainstream, they call it early mainstream. This is is early mainstream. This is mainstream. And this is latter. So that will never use for artificial technology. Okay? Again, I'm explaining to you in 3 or 5 minutes. But if I have a collection of videos of Geoffrey Moore and technology adoption life cycle, I can explain it to you in 1 minute and assign to you guys. There are 20 other videos to watch regarding technology adoption life cycle. Yes? Okay? Right? In the same manner, say Java programming. Java programming, there's a guy from Boston that has tutorials on that and speaks that. There's a Japanese that explains Java programming also. There's an Indian that explains Java programming also. There's a Spanish guy that, or a German guy that explains Java programming also. It's up to the user to decide, hey, I want to listen to the Singapore guy. No, I want to listen to the English. I want to listen to the Australian guy because he explains better. Okay? So the teacher now, ordinarily today, you have a textbook, 1 or 2 textbooks, right? The teacher says this is 1, not 2 sources of learning for the semester. Now that will be disaggregated. No, moving forward, you will have 2, 3, 4, 500 clips where you can learn. And then on top of that curation of 3, 4, 500 clips, there's this entire library, entire curation that if you want other related topics because they're hyperlinked, there's a full text search, there's folders and categories and other metadata, I can consume and research more. Good or bad? Good. Okay? Any questions so far? Clear or not clear? Okay, so while I was talking, I uploaded a file just on Friday 150 section. Search MRI 150. Those pages. Okay, so 175 megs of file. Okay, so 125 megs will be transferred from here to the desk to the laptop in a minute, 3 seconds, etc., etc. Okay, something that we recorded a few minutes ago, I think this is your video. If you're going to wake up, if you're going to slide, okay. Something that was recorded a few minutes earlier is ready for sharing with the rest of the class or with the rest of the university. 175 megabytes. If it were YouTube, if you were assigned to download that and watch that for your assignment, how long will it take to download it? Take that. You want 7 minutes and then 75. Now, going back here, are you beginning to get an idea of how you will be using videos, cameras, tablets for your learning? How many are early adopters here? Especially those are YouTube users. Do you know how to use it now? How? Okay, how oh, ready? How will you use it? Where? Okay, in Tagalog, in Tagalog. Saka mag-search sa YouTube o dito na? Okay. Okay. Kasi sa YouTube yun, paano mo i-share yung video sa classmates mo kung wala kayong platform dito? Facebook. Okay, I took 50 seconds recording. You now upload to the server. Or any other suggestions on how you might use it? Home study. Ano yung sabihin na home study? Ano yung sabihin sa home study? Home study, sabihin niya. Plus, kung na lang mag-save, video mo na lang, i-upload mo sa YouTube. Hindi na ako mag-aatin. Papanawin ko na lang sa YouTube. Home study. Okay, let's go back. Here this tab is folder. As this topic, okay, so here you know robotics, everybody knows three people, right? Earth science videos, Earth, reported. You know what idea of Red Book is? Red Book are the six manuals of ITN. So if you're a hardcore ITN-er, okay, yung knowledge stock ng ITN yung manual nila are what we call Red Book. So some of the videos, the Red Book are available online. You know what this program is? Polaris. Polaris is one of the more popular office applications on Android phone. I don't know if Polaris is available on iPad. Now the point is, ito pala, you know, the top 100 channels in YouTube. Okay, that are CS and IT related. Okay, and Microsoft Research is IT related, right? Mozilla is IT related, right? Robotics is IT related, right? Okay. The top 100 channels on YouTube have around 300 videos each. Okay, so 100 YouTube channels times 300 video clips gives you how many videos? 30,000. Okay? So, this is the dilemma of learners today. There's so much out there. I'm just hitting the tip of the iceberg, so to speak, the first 100 or the top 100 class. And I already have 30,000 videos that I can watch. Where do I start? If you guys watch all 30,000 videos individually, it's easy, right? Okay. But there must be a better way. What is the better way? What is the better way? The channel that you really need. So who determines what you really need? The teacher, the president of the university, the dean, or you?
You.
Me, yourself, right? Somebody wants more on computer graphics. Somebody wants more on mobile web development. Somebody wants more of something else, right? So it's no longer one size fits all. But what's more important is, okay, I know, it's not what I know, it's who I know, and what who I know knows. So if I have a question, or if I have a problem, oops, ang specialty ko, web development, wala akong alam sa computer graphics. I will ask my friend, or my teammate, or my classmate, who knows a lot about the topic that I don't know a lot about. So you have to form those teams if you will. Collaborative curation teams if you will. Tama? So kung isa, ang strength mo is hardware, yung kabilang kaibigan mo software, kabilang kaibigan mo mobile, hindi kayong tatlo, as a team. Uy, malayong mararating natin because we can combine skills, right? But you need the tools, the platform, the media, and the quote-unquote conversation. Uy, paluwarin mo to. Okay, uy, magagamit natin ito sa section na to. Uy, ito gamitin natin sa content natin, etc. Okay. So today, how much time do you use in a week? How much time did you use going to the library to read reference books? Twice a week, how many hours? 1 hour. 1 hour. So, who has a greater use for the library than 2 hours in a week? The rest don't use the library at all anymore? Huh? Sometimes. Why? Because the library reference materials are rather old. That's not directly related. Only those that are related. Those that are indirectly related, they don't have any material. But unlike video, curated properly, you have the direct materials and the indirect related materials, right? Yes? Hey. So is that our first hour? Okay. I'll go for another 15 minutes. Let me just introduce Ivan. Okay? I already introduced the technology adapted life cycle by Geoffrey Muslim. I don't know which subject in IT should be teaching that. But, you know, somehow, some way, there should be a 1 or 2 hour lesson about that. What about the third, information visualization? Calculate the law, calculate the law. Wala. Information technology. Kung bakit wala kayong information visualization? Actually, you don't know what your subjects are for next year? Okay. Anyway, so let me go. the professor from MIT, you know what MIT is? Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Yung campus na ba makuha? Makuha, dito. Yung sa Oxford, Massachusetts. Professor Jake Schneiderman. Okay? One of his more famous books is Leonardo's Laptop. You know who Leonardo is here?
Yeah.
Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci, okay, had great creation, great imagination, despite the fact that he didn't have any tools. He just had a pen. Right? Now, what if Leonardo da Vinci had a laptop and all? Napakaingin na laptop, what if Leonardo da Vinci had an internet? Okay? So one of the constructs of a bench Schneiderman, just like Geoffrey Moore, is this thing called forward. You should remember this, okay, in relation to what we're doing, conservation we're doing for CSI. First word, 7 letters. Bio-vowel, bio-consonant, vowel. Letter,
Compute.
Compute daw.
Compute.
Compute. Ano na yun?
Content. Ay, content. Content. Wow. Collect. Ay, collect.
Also, correct. What I've done here so far, there are hundreds, if not millions of CSIT related videos in YouTube. Diba? I collected 5,000 or half. So that's the first one. Okay. Second word. Six letters. Master, sword. Select. May 5,000 na rin ito may pinag-uusapan, di ba? Ano ba ang related exactly? Ano bang course na ito? Hindi. Programming. Ano ba dito? Of the 5,000, marami aspects sa IT. Ano ba? Okay, for this section, or for this week, or for this month. Select. So yan, trabaho ng professor at trabaho nyo. Ay, tumingin ako. Related sa module 1, related sa topic A, sa topic B, sa topic C, etc. Related. Ito na. Download. Detect. Delete. Alam mo, pag delete, nag-collect na kayo, nag-zero kayo pang tag, so may nag-zero kayo pang delete, pag delete ko, nag-zero ko, wala. So, yun lang mo kung gagawin. Delete. Mahirap naman yung demo. Delete. Bakit kayo mag-delete?
Device. So what do you see? You saw something common in 4, 5, or 6 videos. You say, I'll put this in my folder. I will tag it to this later. I will put in more data in more description. So it's easier to find the video. And I will not keep it to myself. I will share that additional information to the rest of the class. Okay, so for example, let's go to my folder. There's five folders. Let's open the GNU robotics. Stockport. 1 minute in each.
My name is Smetbot, and I will be delivering science to officers at Carnegie Mellon University. I was created by a team of researchers and students from the Robotics Institute and the Human Computer Interaction Institute. Students from our school of design designed from fabricated modified glass bottom shell. I was made to be a research platform person.
No.
I see the reason there. The programming, the sensors, the movement, and all those things. So first, you rate based on your things and other things that you see. You see the 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. What is it? 6, 4, let's say 4. Okay. So if you rate that 4, okay, now all of you will rate, whatever videos you have come across. Then when you collect it, you view the entire landscape. Of those 5,000 videos, let's gather the first 2,000, the first 500 that have the highest ratings from the community. And let's have a conversation about that. So you go look at rated objects. Meron na talang na-rate ng dalawa eh. Start from 1 minus 4.
No.
So imagine, okay, if you have hundreds of these ratings already, okay, no one is dictating upon you, you only watch this video, you only this video, you only this video. You will be enjoying the library and the reference materials as you see fit. Okay, but you know, say, uy, maganda to, I will donate my time, I will donate my rating to to this collection so that the rest of the users will have better navigation moving forward. Yes? So yung idea ng donation. Okay? Now, if you're excited enough and you say, why am I always just watching other people's feedback and other people's tutorials? Why can't I make my own tutorial and share it with the rest of my peers? Is that possible? It's possible, right? So you say, I can do a 5-minute screencast and upload it here. Okay, this is my own version of Java programming, etc., etc. Okay? And if you like it, and other people say, uy, 5-star, 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 5-star. Di magkakaano ulit, or yes, meron ka ng following, meron kang ikaw yung idol, meron ikaw yung idol, meron kang fan. Turuan mo pa kami, gawa ka ng words, feedback, and things like that, because natututo kami sa inyo. Today. Okay? Any questions so far? None? Yes. Believe? No, because here we're talking about a local media network. So all the videos, these 5,000 videos, are not from the web anymore. They were extracted from the web, injected into Flow, organized into folders, okay, and then also sections eventually. And then if you need one, click and download, click and retrieve. Kasi the scarce resource now is your CPU and the server. Okay, so if there's 40 users requesting video simultaneously, the bottleneck could be your CPU, not so much your live bandwidth. But as a caveat, okay, I suggested it in Capitolio High School and in St. Paul, Quezon City. If there were, in the case of Capitolio, 19 browser requests for 19 unique videos, it took 50 seconds for the 19th browser to have the video start playing. So ang wait time mo, in the case of 19 browsers, is under a minute. We tried it in St. Paul, 25 browsers requesting 25 unique videos from a single server. It was around 90 seconds, so a minute and a half. So again, compared to a live download from YouTube, if I were the teacher and said, okay, download from YouTube, tapos na yung 2 hours na class natin, nangangalaki pa lang yung download because all 40 of you are downloading simultaneously. Yes? Any other questions?
None.
Okay? Clear? So I don't know the mechanics. I don't have to talk to you exactly what sort of access you have and when you will sample the files that you made with the library that we have. The hard drive is all sampled in one of your servers, so I guess your IT people will give you the local URL and the local IP address to start searching from there. Okay? Oh, did you learn anything this morning?
Yes.
What did you learn? Video. What did you learn from video? Useful or not useless? Exciting or boring? Yes. Okay, very good question. ibang subject dito yung flow. I guess if your dean and your department chair eventually think that, we should offer flow maybe as an elective, then we can open up subject, an elective subject for object-oriented programming and flow. But siyempre, if there's no request from you, if there's no cost of gusto namin to, they will not develop an entirely new elective subject for you guys. Diba? So let me close with one, how many of you have heard of the name Marshall McLuhan? Marshall McLuhan. How many of you heard the term global village? The medium is the message. The medium is the message. We shape our tools, and then our tools shape us. Okay, anyway, Marshall McLuhan, you will find him here. Those three quotes were from Marshall McLuhan. Let me zero in on, we shape our tools and our tools shape us. Right? For the past 200 years, the tools for teaching were the textbook, the blackboard, and a professor, right? And a quiz or an exam, right? So how those sets of tools shape the graduates for the past 200 years in a certain way. We were literate when it comes to reading and writing. Today, moving forward, you will have a different set of tools because video will play a role in your teaching and learning. We didn't have those tools before, 30 years ago. You will for the next 3 years and beyond. Okay? So what's important is, you have a platform, you have hundreds and thousands of videos, but you have to shape your own group. Whether it's individually, small groups, or one large section, or one large class of you shape your own group. And then later on, those videos that you selected, donated, tagged, etc., is what will shape you moving forward. Because web content management, kaya-kaya yan, kasi nag-video ka yan. Diba? Android programming, kaya-kaya namin yan, dahil nag-video ka yan. Right? Understand? We shape our tools, and then our tools shape us. You will shape your video collections, and moving forward, your video collections will shape you. Okay? So with that, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy savor the collection in the next 5 or 6 weeks till the end of the Gracias.